Hey, it's Greg Luther, and listen, I'm just going through my email here. I think you're really going to like this. I want to show you some results. Many of you know that just today, I released the brand new training here called Foundational Model, and some of these agents that are getting listings on the very day that they go through this stuff, that's kind of the goal here, is how do you get a listing before the sun goes down today? So going through our email here, 37 real estate agents got a listing appointment on the very first freaking day that we released this thing. I want to show it to you. I'm going to walk you through this here and show you what it looks like on our website. But what I did is I showed them, like, here's exactly who to go to. Here's what to say. Here's the script. Here's the ads. Here's all of the stuff you need. So I wanted to share this with you. If I can figure out how to turn my camera around, show you on the website exactly what they're seeing. I just released this literally today on our member site. So if you've never been on our member site, this is for our Greg Luther Inner Circle members. It's called Foundational Model. And what we've got on here is I show them some very simple videos on how they can get a listing over the next 24 hours. Actually, our statement is before the sun goes down today. So I don't know if you can see this. This is a 45-minute training that shows them everything they need to do, but we also have the script that they'll use, and we have recordings of other agents actually setting up real live appointments. These are real phone calls where we recorded other agents, because everybody always says, like, what do I say? When I reach a homeowner and they're wanting to sell their home right now, what do I say? We have an approach with for sale by owners. We never, ever give them a listing presentation. As a matter of fact, we tell them, no, I will not list your home. And we're able to get these listings from this. I'll show you a little bit of that inside of here. But not only that, I have a recording from one of our live events where one of our agents was showing exactly how he gives this presentation that I've taught everybody. This guy right here is named Shane. This guy right here is listing 10 to 15 of these properties every single month. So he walks everybody through it. I put the recording right here on the member's website, exactly what to say. I'm not interested in taking this listing. I'm here to view the home. I'm not here to list it. You know, all of the things that he's saying to get so many listings with this approach. We then go into a really cool approach with expired homeowners. You're going to see more and more of that as the market starts to slow. I just added on here the letters that we use, the postcards we use, the scripts we use, and we've even got agents getting referrals from attorneys. Here's the letter we use that we send to attorneys and that type of thing. This entire training is available to all our Inner Circle members, but what I'm most excited about, we just released this section of it today. You can see there's all kinds of stuff up here. This is under Foundational Model. There's tons and tons of stuff for them here. Video conferences and all the coaching calls we're doing and that type of thing. But that foundation, this is where we're showing them how to make money on Facebook. Complete training on that. This is in our ad sequence. So tons and tons of information for them. I don't know if you can hear in the background, my dog's even excited about this. But the Foundational Model is absolutely phenomenal. I just released it to everybody today. So all of you that are Inner Circle members or want to become Inner Circle members, that's what you go to right now. Close to 40 real estate agents went through the training today, got a listing appointment today. That's how quickly I want you to get results for your real estate business. Anyway, very excited about this. It's kind of late here right now, but just getting back from dinner and seeing all of these emails. Holy crap, Greg, it's working. I can't believe it. The script worked perfect. I followed exactly what those other agents did, and I'm getting the same results. So hopefully that's you as well. If you do have any questions on it, shoot me a direct message or a comment here, whatever you need. I'm here to help you in growing your business. But listen, there's zero excuses for you not making money as a real estate agent, because this is totally free marketing that can get you clients now and get them signed on the dotted line. All excuses are gone. This is a system that's working phenomenally well. I want you to be involved with it as well. So any questions you have, let me know. But again, this is pretty cool on the site, seeing these results already. Hopefully you're one of those agents too. Have a profitable night. If there's anything I can do for you, let me know. I'm here to help you out. We'll talk soon. Find more about me. As a matter of fact, in the link here, I'll put a description. You can watch a quick presentation on how this works, exactly what these agents are doing. Go ahead and click the link there. I think it has like a 5-minute wait, and then it's going to show you a quick presentation on how you put this stuff together to get yourself some clients. We'll talk a little bit about buyers and getting yourself some sellers. But my goal for you, how do I get a listing before the sun goes down today? or if the sun's already down in the next 24 hours, right? Very simple approach, and we'll walk you through the whole thing. Go make some money. We'll talk to you soon. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that video, and listen, we've got a lot more information for you to help you with growing your real estate business. We load new videos nearly every day, and I want you to have access. So you got to do two important things. It's both totally free. Number one, I want you to subscribe to this channel. You'll see the little subscribe button for you to click. If you don't have an account with YouTube, set it up. It's totally free. You got to subscribe to this channel. And the most important factor, you got to ring the bell. Right next to that subscribe button, you'll see a little bell to turn on notifications. That will let you know every time I load a new money-making video to help you with growing your real estate business. Subscribe and make sure you ring the bell. We'll see you in the next video.